Hey everybody, how you doing? We're back for the final hour of trading today. Nice to have you here. We're here on Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022, the final hour of trading, 3 o'clock Eastern, and the markets have given it all back. The Dow was up.
The Walmart Canada fleet team is hiring.
Hang on, I don't want to hear that. Again, the game's up. The Dow was as high as 32,172. It's now at 31,840. So 116, let's say 330 points of a drop from the high of the day to here. The high was between about 11:30 today. It was like a big old mountain. The market went up and kind of hung around there a while, and now down, a little recovery, and here we are near the low of the day. The low has been apparently officially 100 points lower than where we are now. I don't know if that's true. Hard to believe that, but we're down 15 points, 16 points on the Dow Jones right now, after having a 300 plus point gain at one point today. Did the market do the turn today? Is it the turn that we've been wondering about? Is this the beginning of the decline that we've been expecting for a while? Because the markets have had a good run lately. Look at your statements, compare your values of your accounts 2 weeks ago to now. The likelihood is that most of the stocks you own have risen somewhat, or deepened money calls. But at the moment, we're red on all three markets, which means the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. The S&P is down 29 points, about 3/4 of a percentage point. The NASDAQ is off 214, down 1.9%. Now, to be fair to the NASDAQ, because, I like to be fair to the NASDAQ. I don't want to be unfair to the NASDAQ. That wouldn't be kind. I think it's been red all day. I don't think the NASDAQ has had, it may have touched the break-even line like ever so slightly earlier today. I think it kind of got there, but it couldn't hold it. And now we're back towards the day's lows. Same with now with NASDAQ, we did get in, with S&P, we did get into the green, but that couldn't hold. And like the Dow, we're back down here. So the Dow is off 20, 21. We're down 29 on the S&P 500, and NASDAQ down 215. And it is definitely the one that's on the way lower so far, almost 2%. The VIX is better at 2774. So the fear index is a little better off. But we'll see how this all goes. Let me check that out. Yeah, the VIX was at 28.5, kind of sitting there all morning. Then we opened up for trading. We've been around 27.5 most of the day. We're at 27.74. The higher the VIX goes, the worse it is. The market begins to feel a little more queasy. The lower the VIX goes, the better. But right now, we're closer to 30 than 20. So we'll watch that, see how it performs. Oil up $2.65 today, $87.97. We seem to be in this 80-90 range lately, and we'll see how that works out. The Dow now down 40 points. The Dow is now definitely beginning to back up here. Some of the stocks we like to follow here, like Amazon down 470 to 115.90, back under that 120 level, down to just under 116 here. Netflix was over 300 for a while today. It got to 305 just around 11:30 when the market hit the high of the day. $2.99 now, $2.99.50, still up 8.5, but it has backed off about $5-6 from the high. The question now is there more than that coming this way? It might. Tesla is up 233 at $224. Tesla topped out today at 230, so we've given up almost $6 full there. The Apple shares are under 150, 148.58, down 376. GameStop down $1.23 to 25.64. The low of the day, 25.53. A few minutes ago, we touched that. So we're kind of hovering around the low level of the day right now on GameStop. The volume on these shares today, 3 million. That's 750,000 pre-split. Light volume, much lighter than yesterday. We had 6-7 million yesterday trade. Quite a few. Not going to do that today. $1.25 lower to $25.62, topping out at $27.47. We're almost off. We're $1.80 off the high today. This is a substantial retraction here to be down $1.20. So that's interesting to watch on good old GameStop. I'm hoping that a number of you out there were successful in some rollovers on GameStop. Please let me know how you did. That would be great. Well done, everybody. Let me quickly get over to my settings here. I've got to make them show member-only commentary. Let's see if we can do this here. And there it is, and there it goes. And thank you all for being here. Those of you who have come in to say hi to us, and lurkers and members and everybody else, please become a member and let us know what you think. And you got any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to try and answer them here. Don't forget, tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern time, Primetime Live with your buddy Uncle Bruce right here on this channel. 8 o'clock Eastern for Gold Bagel members. Become a Gold Bagel member right now. And you can join us tonight for 8 o'clock Primetime show just for the members. Love to have you in. We get a lot of good discussions going on. Thank you, all of you, for giving me thumbs ups already. They're coming in. And Gowdy is thinking, I think we might be in the beginning of a rug pull here. The gains got smaller and smaller each day. We topped out. Now profit taking is kicking in. We're down 52 on the Dow. Now a little more selling. Splair, I'm up almost a monthly income after 3 days. Giddy up. Alex, at number 22, thumbs ups. Hello, everybody. Calls are green and life is good. Now we wait for Apple earnings. Richard, Carlin, my GameStop cover calls are making up for a 75% of my portfolio's downturn today. Nick, Apple about to make or break the market. Credit Savage, wait, what? You're telling me we haven't turned the corner, Uncle Bruce? Why? I thought everything was honky-dory. Oh, shucks, guess I'll have to buy back my covered calls I sold yesterday. Thank you, Uncle B. Stink bids are deployed. Market's really running too fast, too high, actually, says Splair. Bobby Joe, don't forget Meta or coming out. I don't see any upside there. Facebook tonight, that's right. Earnings after the bell. Mallow, Shark number 33, thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Great time to buy some VIX calls. It's going to be a whirlwind. Alex, yeah, good point, Bobby. If Google is missing, then Meta doesn't stand a good chance. Boo is here. Meta already way down. It's interesting here. It's down as it is. DQ, I am number 40, thumbs up, sir. Thank you, DQ. Credit Savage, long on puts and short on calls is the name of the game for this bad hombre. Sean and Wendy, we're thumbs up 35. Hello, family. Credit Savage of Wall Street. What's up, Sean or Wendy? Hector, I'm number 41. Alex, do we all think Elon will close the Twitter deal, or is this the ultimate rug man? They say Friday. Hello, everybody from Sell My House Fast in Upper Marlboro. I think I'm 41. Hawkeye says, I think I'm 43 on the all thumbs up. Credit Savage of Wall Street. Alex, I think it's time to buy some Twitter and sell some in-the-money covered calls. Tiff, I'm number 44. Credit Savage, bring back trivia with Uncle Bruce. Coyote says to Splair, way to go, buddy. This is good to hear. You're making money. Alex, nice shout. Credit Savage, that sounds like a win-win. Oscar Voss, sold Tesla at 230 like GameStop. Thoughts, please. Sold to thoughts, please. Well, stock's off, and hope you wrote some calls. Gowdy, I had some green beans last night in anticipation of covered calls green today. Brian, GameStop December 16th. Their bid 315, ask 345 right now. I sold at 430. I'm hoping to buy back in the next week or so around 230 and make 50%. Nice money. It's looking good. 25.58. We're still falling here. Elon is at Twitter headquarters right now. Oscar number 53, thumbs up. David, Brian sold mine at 495. I'm hoping to get him for under 2. Coyote, and he what's this right here? And he marked himself king of Twitter or something on Twitter. I didn't see it myself, but Bloomberg was talking about it. Okay, Brian. David Scott, hopefully we both get what we're looking for. H. Gregory, thumbs up, 59. Bruce, you're pushing 60 now. You're moving it. We're at number 60 thumbs ups, 40 to go to get to 100. We'll hit the three-digit number here. Thank you, everybody, for these thumbs ups as they're coming in. Yeah, 25.56 on GameStop, down $1.31. We got SoFi down 11 at 5.54. We have HPQ down 17 to 27.43. Rocket Lab is up a dime. Moderna is up 4.94 to 141.50. We have ME down a half a penny. Matterport down 5 cents. The ATIP is holding a 2.5 cent gain. We got SmartRent up 1.5 cents. Spire is down 4.5. We've got Cyxtera down 6 cents. AMC and Ape combined are down 30. Looks like 32.5 cents. Bed Bath and Beyond down 23, 506. Pfizer up 60 at 46.19. Boeing down 13.71. Something tells me a friend of mine, a Mr. Alberto, might be in really good shape on his Boeing calls. If I've got if my hunch is right. Cisco up just a penny, 44.36. Home Depot down 48 cents. Carvana down 25. These have all turned negative. Robinhood is up 23 cents, but it's backed off quite a ways from its high today. Vanek Vector's down 183. IBM is up 210 to 135. Microsoft down 17.89 at 232. The high for Microsoft today was 238. So it was down about $11. Now it's down close to 18 buckaroos and falling off again. Goldman Sachs up 220. Google down 964. It's lower than this morning. Meta Platforms, Facebook down 870. Earnings come out after the bell. We're at 128.81 now. Twitter up 63 cents to 53.41. BlackBerry down 7.5. Royal Caribbean is down a nickel. Target up 61. JP Morgan up 83 cents. Costco up 88. All of these are fractional gains, and they're all falling back. These stocks are all heading down. Walmart is up 59 cents and falling. Nvidia down 365. Disney up just 34 cents at 104.70. American Airlines 27 cents lower, 14.02 falling right now. So we got red coming in here. 37-point loss on the Dow, make it 44 now. And GameStop at 25.54. We are basically at the lows of the day. Let's see what it is. 25.52. We're at 25.54. There it is. Down 133 on GameStop. And DQ, I pulled a rug out that my wife was standing on and yelled, "Rugman rules." I need a place to stay. Anybody know a place? Splair, Gowdy, thanks. And it feels really awesome as well. Hopefully next week with earnings at SoFi will look even better. Zach, good afternoon, everybody. I was number 3 on the old thumbs up meter today. Right on. 25.53, 1 penny from the low of the day. SoFi 554 down 12. The Dow down 44. Our markets on over here on S&P down 30 points, and on Nasdaq 223-point dip, 2%. There it is. Yeah, that's what's going on. Zach, so glad for this pullback. My GameStop November 18, 27.50 has come towards me. $100 in just a few hours. Thank you, Rugman. Yeah, that didn't last, did it? Now, 27.50 calls are now $2 out of the money. Hello. Yeah, there's shrinkage coming there. Yeah, for sure. 25.46 on GameStop. That's a new low right now. We just cracked 25.50, just went right through it. 25.48, 25.46. The low, 25.46 on GameStop. 138 lower on the day. The high of the day was 27.48. This is a $2 drop from the high of the day today, just to give you some idea of the amount of slippage we are witnessing here on GameStop. Definitely outpacing the rest of the market. We're off 5% on the day, but we're off, 9% from the high of the day, interestingly. All righty. Richard, nice DQ. Does she hit? I can call the Popo. DQ, Richard, she might once she wakes up. Larry, everybody, what I missed this morning, I was unexpectedly super busy. It's number 65. Hopefully you're here for the close today, buddy. We missed you hitting the bells today, but we know you're a busy man. Richard, he's laughing. Zach, now I just need SoFi to drop 26 cents or better, and then those will go positive too. Here you go. Well, we'll see how this market reacts. Netflix at $299.38, just under 300. Tesla at $224.84, up only 243. The Apple shares 149.05, down 329. GameStop 25.47 now, right at the lows, down $1.40. 554 down 11 on SoFi. HPQ down 11.26. 27.30 46. DQ, you missed the bells, Larry. The bells. H. Gregory. Oh, man. H. Gregory, Mr. Rugman, bring us a dream. Michael, no. Zach, estimate is negative 10 cents per share. Michael, we need 9 cents or lower. Who cares? Says, I missed the roll yesterday on my IBM covered calls. November 4, 132 a small but hopeful downtrend seems to be on the way. Splair, Canopy is doing interestingly. Twice it went up now over 10% this week. I think yesterday 20 something. Michael, 9 cents a share loss or less is what we're looking for on SoFi's earnings Monday, I think, isn't it? Coming up real soon. We're looking forward to the release of the earnings. See what happens. We're down 15 points on the Dow. The Dow's trying to hang around, trying not to lose too much ground. S&P down 27, NASDAQ down 215. All righty. Zach, GameStop just had a 48,000 share sell order kicked while down. Well, there you go. 25.56, 25.58 right now. Boo. H. Gregory sounds like Mr. Sandman laughing out loud. Oscar got GameStop 25.20. Oscar 25.50 actually. Richard, SoFi is Tuesday, I think. Okay, it's coming up. Coming up Monday or Tuesday. Fair enough. Looking for some good times. 5.54, holding most of yesterday's gain, actually. Good to see. 25.59 on GameStop, and the Dow is off 9.2. Okay. Gaudy saying to Zach, I saw that sell off too. Zach, Michael, just mean in an overall price before Friday's close, I still think earnings will be good, and I want to close before next week. Constantine, I'm around too. Uncle Bruce, upset again, but around. I sold my calls. What should I do with these arms? Not able to keep it folded. What should I write now? So you bought back calls. You didn't. Did you wrote earlier? You bought back. You're flat now. You're just holding deep in the money calls. Is that what you're saying? help me make this accurate. Michael, Zach, I see my bet. H. Gregory, yep, Rugman equals Sandman. Constantine, yes. I bought back my calls. And what should I do now? Well, at 25.55, we can go lower. So, you can certainly look at writing. You could write the $26 calls for next week, Friday, or the week after, or into November the 18th range. Take a look at December's again. Holding those calls, not a bad move here. Out of the money calls, though, is what you want to write. Spread the best about Tuesday, the 2nd November. It's a holiday in some European places. AZ, hey, Uncle Bruce, I sold call contracts on GameStop when it hit the day high yesterday. I sold 25 December 16s for $5.60 each. I saw weak volume, and I was like, yeah, okay, laugh out loud. Nicely done. Let me take a look at my peek at the options market right now. We are... obviously, my quotes are a little behind here, but let's just see what's going on. December 16 contracts. Let's see what's going on out here. There we go. So you wrote 25s for $5.60 a piece, and what are they at right now? $3.75 bid. I like that. Beautiful. You're almost up $2 just from yesterday. Hello. Nicely done. When you wrote them, they were in the money, right? And now they're, 57 cents in the money. They're not $2 in the money. Isn't this great? Beautiful job. And they're coming down. They're only worth 52 cents. I mean, that's their value. So there's more shrinkage coming your direction here. The 26.25s for December 16th are $3.15 bid. They've backed off today. Last trade, $3.25 on my machine, down $1.26. The 27.50s are off at least 97 cents. Last trade, $2.83. They're probably down like $1.10 with a $2.70 bid. Beautiful. Absolutely fabulous, everybody. Way to go, kids. Making money in these options, letting them shrink on you. That's what you want. Let them shrink and make dollars, not pennies. November 18th calls. 25s are now 234 bid. Last trade at 243, down to 107 at 243. So those are dropping nicely. We're noticing the 2550s are off about 52 to 60 cents, depending on the last trade or bid. 26s are trading at 193, down 130 today. The 26 and the quarters are down to 184, 176 bid, down to over $1 today as well. So all of these calls are backing off, as they should, because the stock's down $1.28 right now, 25.59, 25.60. So yeah, absolutely, everybody. Way to go, Zach. Michael, all good. Thanks for the potential earnings info. Right now, I know what score we need to get. Go SoFi. Next week, though, DQ, when the Rugman's away, the shorters will pay. Monday is Halloween. Tuesday, November 1. Alex, Constantine, always be writing, pal. Always be writing. Richard, let's see. Michael Myers, Constantine wrote 26s for 11 November for $1.50. There you go. Let's see how that works out. Alex, I prefer Mike Myers. Love those Austin Power films. Blair or make dollars and pennies, but the careful have a call that is somehow $40 over my premium of 11. And who's this Rugman? DH wants to know who is this? Well, this is a character that one of our viewers has created. He kind of looks like a Superman figure, in a Superman kind of outfit, but it's Rugman. It's RM instead of Superman. And the cape is made of shag carpet. It's a nice long cape, and unsuspecting holders of certain stocks step on the cape of Rugman at their peril, because Rugman will wait for a few of them to get on there, and then he'll yank the rug out from under their feet, and they go spilling down the hill. That sound he makes when he pulls that rug is called yoink. So yoink the cape, and they pulls the feet right out from under those bag holders, and option writers make more money. It's just that simple. What are you going to do? Mike H. Fun fact, the Mike Myers mask used in the movie was an inside-out Will Shatner mask. Slayer, luckily, it's the only one left from Monday, says Slayer. Jim Stevens, the Rugman cometh. DQ, DH, I am Rugman. Coyote is Rugman. Mike H is Rugman. We're all Rugman. DQ, you are Rugman. I want to go on a magic carpet ride. Everyone's laughing here. Hector, Rugman is not Henry. Brian, did someone make a cartoon drawing of Rugman? Is that the new T-shirt and mug design? DH chanting Rugman, Rugman. Deuce Caboose, Uncle Brewski, did I hear you correctly this morning that there were 4.5 trillion in savings accounts, and now there's only 600 billion in savings accounts? That amount, yeah, that's correct. 2 years ago, 4.5 trillion, now 600 billion. Yeah, that's right. 1.9 billion, the 1.9 trillion last year, 600 billion this year. Yeah, those savings are gone. They've been spent. People are trying to stay alive and survive, and now with inflation picking up, it's making it eating up the money even faster. Isn't that something? Praise Rugman, says Coyote. We are not worthy. H. Gregory, great description of Rugman. Boo, Rugman needs some rug power. Michael, seriously, I'm not making that up. Nick, I am Rugman. Cuckoo, kachoo. Cuckoo, kachoo. DQ, Mike H, that is correct. Amy, yoink the cape. Yoink. Michael Duskaboos, I spend time on bridge decorations. That's what I do. Got to get those Christmas decorations out soon. After Halloween, it's time for Christmas decoration. Oh my. Deuce Caboose. Then why aren't earnings up unless they pulled a Dumb and Dumber and blew their noses in Hyundai bills? There you go. Well, the earnings were good 2 years ago, but a lot of that money went to paying bills, paying mortgage payments, rent payments, groceries, car payments, and everything else. It's just a cost of life that has been eaten up. Slayer, damn! My GameStop call went suddenly from 30 to 138 after the day. The 27th for December 16th is lovely at 420. There you go. Negative 30 to plus 138. Right on, Splair. You're making money. Zach, I'm definitely going to work up some Rugman art. 25.52 on GameStop. We are 6 cents away from the low of the day again. Down 630 on the Dow, just slightly in the red here. Down 27 on S&P 500. 212-point drop on NASDAQ. The VIX is now only down 0.34. It is down 0.34 at 2812. So there you go. The worse it gets, the more fidgety people are. So it's 0.36 to the negative now on the VIX. Oil, 276 gain today. There you have it. Okay, let's see. What else we got here? Deuce, Caboose, the cost of life is circling my life. What's up, DQ, Michael? Coyote, Zach. Dude, yes, boo. A Rugman Christmas ornament. I'd buy one of those. Rugman. Excuse me. Interesting fallback on this average. The Dow has certainly backed off. We have 35 minutes left in the day. We're down 6 points after being up over 300 today. So we've had a definite turn. The other two markets did not participate in a major up move today. The SP was green for a while, but has immediately gone back here. And the NASDAQ has really not participated. It might have gotten close to breaking even, and now it's off again, almost 2% on the day. So that is the story about what's happening here. What can I say? Boris, savings went to interest expenses. DQ, hey, Deuce, just helping. Michael, hang up decorations under the bridge. That's all we're doing over here. We're all good. And Michael Rugman, fighter of the retail. There you go. He's the retail investors ally. How about that? All right. 298.55 on Netflix. Definitely back under 300 at the moment. Tesla 225.69 up 320. Apple down 310. GameStop down $1.32 at 25.55. SoFi 556 down 11 cents. Does anyone anticipate GameStop to go a little lower tomorrow? Slayer wonders. Deuce, 4 trillion gone isn't even comprehensible. I'm screwed. Yeah, a lot of savings have evaporated. Folks were bringing capital in. Capital's coming in, and they had the ability to keep up on bills, but those government programs and incentives are over, and you're on your own again. You got to make your own dough and pay your own way, and so this savings rate is quickly dropping off, and rates are rising. Inflation is surging. This is eating up this cash real quick. Alex Boris, I agree. Folks are spending more to maintain, not improve their lifestyle. Beach Boy says, so Uncle Bruce, I want to know, please tell me like it is. GameStop, is it getting delisted, right? I mean, doesn't it get tired of producing all this milk? Cash. Come on. I think it's got a lot more to give you. Deuce, I still got mine in the bank. SoFi Bank, that is. Splair, or at least by the look through the charts, I have a feeling it could go higher for some hours tomorrow or Friday. You think GameStop might go higher? Oh, we'll see. DQ, they got their charter. SoFi is doing all right. GameStop. I don't know. We're still a few weeks away from earnings, and I'm waiting for the big pullback on the big market. The big pullback on the market, which we have not had yet. And GameStop will lose $2 or $3 just on that, just in that atmosphere, it'll lose $2 or $3. That's 10-15% more. Wouldn't take much. Anyway, whatever. Michael, I'll be 700 million richer after tonight. Rock and roll. Powerball. How about that? Boris, Alex, I guess you have the choice of selling your house, car at a loss, or continue paying the expensive loans. And I think Beach Boy is confused about what Deuce is talking about with regard to charter, but SoFi got the charter. I don't know what's going on. I think some people are talking SoFi, some people are talking GameStop, some people are talking Rugman, and then they're asking me what's going to happen with the market. So that's kind of where we're at. Okay, what can I say? What is happening out here? Oh, 25.48 again on GameStop. 2 cents away from the low of the day here. 25.47, we're right at it. 1 penny away from the low of the day now. 25.46 is the low trade of the day on GameStop, and we're right in the neighborhood again of the low of the session. The Dow is down 2.4 points. We have 31 minutes left in the session today. We're right there. That's what's going on. We're watching these stocks closely. SoFi 556 down a dime. Okay. Interesting. All right. And let's see. JJ is saying SoFi deep in the money calls. March 3s are 271 bid. Splair, That's something for that I can wait. The big pullback that you were mentioning, on my luck, I would close the call today, and suddenly tomorrow bloodbath appears. Nick, I am thumbs up 687 for you, buddy. Thank you, pal. Brian, GameStop got their bank charter. Great news. Now they won't be delisted. More didn't expect a red market today. Europe and Asia were green. DQ. I do have a friend whose retirement plan is spending $4 a week on Powerball tickers or tickets. DH GameStop is being delisted. What's going on here? Spicy. Hey Bruce, I sold 4 GameStop 30s that expire February the 17th. I got $520 for them. Oh man. Now they're now $365. I want to pull the trigger on this. Wow, that is a nice trade. Well, you can buy them back if you want. I mean, but the stock is at the low of the day. It's going lower. So, you can let them go lower if you like. If you want to buy them back now, I would turn around and write 28s instead. But, these 30s are so out of the money. I mean, they're worthless. They have zero value. But it's your call, Spicy. You've made, you haven't made quite $2. I'd like to see you make $2 net on this. That would be really nice. But you're going to need a little more slippage on this stock to get it because it is a February call. But you're being looked after today. I'll tell you that. Nice trade, Nick. Uncle Bruce and an analyst had planted a new article as per their hedge fund buddies with price targets 37 or 375 on Netflix. Oh, good luck to them. Michael, I buy lottos rarely. Oscar's laughing out loud. Coyote, Slayer, that's why we keep writing. You buy back and close out. Now you write again. Let's see. What else is going on? 88. Look out, Marty. Miraculous. Thank you for the 88 thumbs up. Michael, tens of dollars. DQ tens. Splair, yeah, but now I can't close and hope for a pop tomorrow. It would be useful to take only the 100 on Monday and then write it today in the money. Nick, now the stock is going to be dropping like a rock. It just needs some catalyst like Powell coming and taking the air out of the market. That is when we give up $25-30. Yeah, Powell is coming on Tuesday for this market. Tuesday is the day. We'll see how this market wants to resist the Fed. We'll find out what that's about. I don't know. 25.48 on GameStop. We're 2 cents from the low of the day. 556 down 9 on SoFi right now, kids. That's where you're at. The Dow is up 24. S&P down 24. NASDAQ down 211. It's not coming back. It doesn't seem to want to join the party here. Interesting what's happening there. 25.48 to 25.50 on your GameStop shares. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, thank God I have an extra vacation day next Wednesday. Earnings are going to be nuts. Alex, have Jay Powell and Rugman ever been seen in the same room? Have you noticed that? They are never together in the same room at the same time. There's only one in there. Like there's one and then there's the other, but not the two at the same time. Funny, huh? Brian, Uncle Bruce, do you talk about Bank of Canada interest rate hike? I did. I did talk about it. It was a 0.5 point bump, not 3/4 that some of the street was expecting. But I haven't heard their reasoning on it. Boris, Michael, well, tech has the highest market cap. There you have it. Yep, tech can affect this market, no doubt. We're going to have Facebook coming out after hours. General Dynamics, Ford, CP Rail. Tomorrow, a Comcast, Budweiser, Caterpillar, Merck, McDonald's, Southwest Airlines, Amazon, Apple, Intel, they all announce tomorrow their earnings. So we got a lot going on here, a lot. Now, I'm going to sell my house fast over Marlboro. Uncle Bruce, how do you think SoFi reacts with, say, an 8-cent loss per share and the Fed raises rates another 0.75 point? Which end of the seesaw goes up? Laughing out loud. Wow. Yeah, I mean, higher interest rates, more money for SoFi. In my opinion, they just make more money. So SoFi's going to win. They're going to probably, I'm hoping they post an even smaller loss than what is anticipated, getting closer to breaking even and making money as an outfit. That changes things dramatically. Anyway, we'll see what's going on. All that JP stuff already priced in, says Kareem. Coyote, one time I was hanging out with Jay Powell, and there was a big dip on the market. I said, I only wish I could tell Rugman how much I appreciate him. Jay Powell said, oh, I think he knows, and he winked at me. So there you go. I mean, there you go. You never see them in the same room at the same time. I ordered some Patagonia vests for some of the original Gangsta SoFi investors here in town, and I'm getting the SoFi logo embroidered. If I have to live under the bridge, I'm going out in style. Oh, okay, Nick. Come on, think about it. Netflix goes from 212 to 305, and then it will go to 375 without giving up any gains. Seriously, now, I mean, come on. Nick is having these discussions with himself here. Do sell my house fast in Upper Marlboro. MD, an 8-cent loss would be incredibly good. Alex, Kareem, are you kidding? Try watching a half hour of CNBC. There's a noisy majority saying that the Fed will pivot next week. Michael, Deuce Caboose, Buffalo Trace Antique Collection comes out soon. Good luck finding it, though. DQ, wow, Goody has some high-powered friends. I mean, the guy gets a wink from Powell. That's all you need to know, right? I mean, that says it all, doesn't it? Yeah, 25, 42, 25, 38 new lows on GameStop right now. The 149 drop on GameStop. We're at the low of the day, 25.38 and falling. 25.38, the low of the day on GameStop. Deuce, Michael, send Uncle Bruce your address and size, and I'll send you one. No, I'm not kidding. Coyote, DQ, he's not that powerful. We wrestle every time we hang out, and I always win, Boris, sell my house fast in Upper Marlboro. A Fed decision to raise interest rates will drop the market, but SoFi will benefit long term. So you will see the result of in a half a year or a year. DQ, Coyote, that's wrong on so many levels. Oh, no. 25.46 with a 25.38 low on GameStop today. The lows are coming lower and lower. They're just coming in. More stock is coming up for sale. We had that nice day yesterday. We're giving it all back today. Isn't that interesting? Let's see. Kent is laughing. Coyote's laughing. Everyone's happy. Why are they all happy? Oh, it's because GameStop's hitting new lows today. That's what's going on. Let's see. What else is over here? Zach, Deuce, you got to get IPOE on the inside pocket for the real OGs. Okay. The Apple shares 149.01, GameStop 25.45, the Dow up 25, S&P down 24, NASDAQ down 214. The only FANG stock rising today is Netflix. It's the only one going up. Everyone else is down today. So, yeah, I just don't think Netflix is going to be at 150 a year from now. I don't think it's be below that. That's me, though. What can I say? What else? I don't know. We'll keep watching your comments between each other. It's all good there. 35-point gain on the Dow. The Dow is trying to move up. That's probably some buy programs kicking in. 25.47 on GameStop here. All right. What else we got going on? HPQ down a nickel to 27.54. Rocket Lab is holding an 8-cent gain, 4.71. Moderna up 6.63, 143.20. ME up 2 cents. Matterport down 5.5. ATIP up 2.5. A Smart Rent is up 1.5 cents. Spire down 3. Sextera down 8. The AMC APE combination down almost 50 cents here. They're trading at 8.86, something like that, 8.85. Excuse me. Bed Bath Beyond down 24 cents to 5.06. Pfizer is at 46.08. It got as high. Pfizer 46.08 now is 46.65 today, but it's given up 55 cents or so from the high of the day. Boeing is off 13.02. Cisco down 7 cents. It's now 44.30. It got up today to 45.23, so it's given up some ground today. Home Depot just up 20 cents. Carvana down 9. Robinhood up 32. Vanik down 196. IBM up 210. Microsoft down $18. Goldman Sachs up 3. Google down $10 to $94.91. Meta Platforms down 7.24. Twitter holding at 53.38, up 60. BlackBerry down 4 cents. Royal Caribbean up 13. So that's what's going on here. We're up 28. Make it 30 on the Dow now. Down 25 S&P. Down 214 on NASDAQ. GameStop, $25.44. 6 cents away from the low of the day. That's how close we are, all the way down here right now. That's the story, kids. That's the story. All right. Let's go. Let's see. So Nick is saying, if everyone's laughing, oh, Bruce, we can say all of us are shorters, right? Some like it hot, some like it slow bleed, writing covered calls with time as our weapon. Yeah. Deuce, Michael, yeah, you large bro, maybe X large. People are talking about best sizes. Google at a 52-week low right now. Splair, we're really special. When everything goes up, we're happy. When lovely stocks drop, suddenly we're happy. Looks like nothing can stop us here. Michael, Deuce Caboose, yeah, t-shirts already hit and a miss. Kent, Beach Boy, what is that? KRAV, Crave Mega is some serious stuff. When my son took karate, there was a Crave Mega class next door. That is the next level. Okay. Let's see. What else is going on here? Nick is saying, Boris, I need that Netflix down under 255. Alex Karim, check out that Professor Stiegel on CNBC. He keeps ranting that Jay Powell is causing unnecessary damage to the economy because inflation has already peaked. I don't understand why Netflix will go down to 150. Oh, their margins are going to be shattered this next year. They're losing margins dramatically, and that growth curve on subscribers is not lasting. They're going to have bleeding on the high-end subscribers to go down to the cheaper subscription level of $6.99. It's going to cost them dearly. That's my opinion. Splair, what a bloodbath on Microsoft since yesterday. Deuce Caboose, Uncle Bruce feeling generous. You want one? What do you want to send me a vest of some kind? I have no idea what's going on. Send me a private email. Tell me, give me the details there. Please. Kareem, Alex, yeah, he went crazy about it the last few times, ranting, laughing out loud. Dude, okay, I'm here, Uncle Bruce. You can stop the party now. It's all. You can start the party or stop the party. It's all good. Thank you. Zach, no craving MAGA in here. It's pronounced cred. I have no idea what this is. I don't even know what you guys are talking about. What's going on? Scatter, everybody. It's Dude. Dude's here. Scatter. We're up 64 on the Dow. That I can tell you. That I understand. We're down 21 on S&P, down 200 on NASDAQ. That I can tell you. I get that. We're down 49 on the VIX. We're 286 higher on oil. The VIX is getting more negative. That's negative for the market. The S&P and the NASDAQ are in the red, have been most of the day. The Dow trying to get a rally going. I don't think it deserves one. I think we may lose this between now and the close, but we'll find out. 17 minutes to go. And then people are talking about karate. Beach Boy can't. Yeah, I tried learning as a young boy in Tel Aviv, the half Japanese, half Israeli. Started teaching it as a dojo. Those memories. Just, I don't care. I don't know why you guys are talking about that here. I have no idea what's going on. Got enough comments to read. What else? GameStop 25.41. 3 cents away from the low of the day on GameStop, kids. That's what's important. 25.41, 3 cents off from the low. 146 lower today. These GameStop shares have really dropped option values all over the place. Interesting. Al Bruce, I am your number 101 thumbs up today. Thank you for that, everybody. Thanks for these thumbs ups. 103 of them now have come in. I've been forgetting to ask for them all afternoon. Thank you, everybody, for these thumbs ups. Keep them coming. 556 last trade on SoFi. 25.40 on GameStop. 2 cents away from the low of the day. Mike, judo, no. I have a knife. Judo, no. I have a gun. I don't know what's going on here. Is Uncle Bruce getting upset? I'm just confused. I don't know what you guys are on and on about today. Nick, Beach Boy, don't know what that means either. Cindy, I am thumbs up 102. I do know what that means, and I thank you, Cindy. Thank you for that very much. Appreciate it all. I hope you're making money today. Hope you've been taking my advice lately and been picking up buying back calls to write higher priced calls on these run-ups and enjoying these dips on the way back. Boy, it sure makes you look like winners instantly, doesn't it? You gotta love this. Happy about that. Am I surprised? No. But I'm just waiting for the Dow to get with the party. When is the Dow getting the message? The party's over, and we're going to go lower. TJ, hi, Bruce. I read an article that short interest is again rising on GameStop, and another squeeze is possible. Any thoughts? Not a Wall Street Bet article, by the way. Very doubtful in my mind. Really, DQ, this is silly chat Wednesday. BZ, I wonder if they regret the mega part. Splair, we can maybe start using a symbol or an emoji when it's not necessary that Uncle Bruce reads the comment. Beach Boy, Nick is showing off. He knows some Japanese. Brian, Nick, I love the look in Bruce's face when he tried to read your last message, Yeah, okay. Matthew's here. How you doing there, buddy? Said it yesterday. I'll say it again. Covered calls have made me so zen. GameStop can go up or down any amount, and I'll just shrug. This is so cool. Way to go, Matthew. You're getting with the program here. Those of you who have been buying classes lately, you're taking me seriously, and you should. We're going to be raising the price of the classes between now and the end of the year. They're $100 each right now. There's 13 of them. Number 14 is under construction. I'll let you know when I'm ready for that. But those of you who've been here a while and you've been procrastinating or thinking about maybe getting the classes, you're running out of time. They're $100 each, and they're going to go up. I haven't decided on the price yet. Jen and I are tossing this around a little bit. I've got some feelers out to some friends and associates. We're looking at the market out there. I know the classes are cheap. They've always been cheap. But there are folks here, without a doubt, they'll tell you themselves, they're making thousands of dollars off of these classes. Thousands. You take these classes seriously and hang out with this channel a while, become an option writer, you will make thousands of dollars from these classes, tens of thousands for the rest of your life. And so those of you who've been picking them up this past week or so because you heard the word, we're going to raise prices on them. Get them now. Scoop them up. Watch them whenever you want. They're yours. Once you got them, you can watch them again and again and again. Let me know if you have problems with the links. I'll get you set up. But way to go. Thank you all for your support of this channel by watching the classes. You're supporting me, and I think I'm supporting you. Swear, it is never necessary for Uncle Bruce to read our comments. Matthew, I know Uncle Bruce prefers the arms crossed method, so he might not approve of my shrug method. Shrug the rug, says Zach. New price, $100.01. Richard, I got my 13. I got him. Rock and roll, buddy. Rock and roll. Way to go, everybody. Well done. Thank you all for, like I said, those of you who've been picking up the classes, I appreciate it. We have 12 minutes left. If any of you want a one-on-one session with me, this Sunday, I'm available 10 in the morning, noon, and 2 o'clock, all Eastern time. Let me know with a private email, brucefarmer@hotmail.com, and say, just send me an email. Say, hey, Bruce, I'd like a session with you. Can I have the 10 o'clock slot? Can I have the noon? Can I have the 2? I'll send you the link for that, and we'll lock you in, get you looked after. Adam, I bought my first class last week. Giddy up. I think DQ, I think I'm missing class number 10. Dude, I'll write in the money or out of the money. I just don't seem to care because either ways, I get premium. Nice. Going for more ASAP, says Adam. DQ, as in I never bought it. And Nick, all those classes paid for my Wall Street money. DQ, I got to check where I'm at with what I got. Rock and roll, kids. 45-point gain on the markets right now. The S&P, the 45-point gain is the Dow Jones. S&P is up 20, down 22. NASDAQ down 213. All right. And let's see what else is going on here. 25.42 now on GameStop. Looks like 4 cents away from the low of the day. Now 25.41, 3 cents away from the low of the day. Okay. Nick, Uncle Bruce, what is number 14 going to be about? What is your number 14 class going to be about? I'm working on that. Top secret bot Matterport calls on Monday. I'm up 40% already, says Adam. Giddy up, make profits, whatever you're doing. But make it writing. That's where you can make your dough. But hey, sometimes you can do this. 25.40 on GameStop, 2 cents away from the low of the day. We're backing up yet again. We're down 11 on SoFi, 5.56. We got 10 minutes left to go. That is where we're at. 32-point gain on the Dow. We're giving up ground here ever so slightly. And we'll watch for that. The VIX is going lower. We're down 67 now on the VIX. 27.78. Okay. Actually, this might be better. That's better for the market. 27.78. If the VIX goes down, that's good. If the VIX goes up, it's bad. It's the inverse. Okay. Wrote or bought? Michael is asking. Wrote or bought? There you go. On Matterport, I think is the question for Adam. The Dow up only 8. We're giving up ground here on the Dow a little bit. Matterport is down 4 cents today. 3.58 is where the stock is at right now. ATIP up 2 cents, 2.5. SmartRent up 1.5. Spire down 6 today to 123. We've got Netflix at 298.54, still holding a 750 gain. Tesla up 187 though. It's losing a little bit of steam here, still up to at the 224 level right now. And GameStop 25.33. That is a new low. We just obliterated the 25.38 low. 25.33, 32 now has been the low trade. 25.32. We're down 152. And we've been down more. So we're losing some ground here on GameStop again. By the way, this month until Tuesday, the class is staying at 100. It's still 100 for now. Nick, Uncle Bruce, San, I don't know what this means. Adam bought. I guess my biggest question is, what's the difference? Did you write calls or did you buy calls? Did you go long or did you go short? If you're going long, you're going for the upside. Congrats if you're making money. If you're writing calls, you're looking to take premiums out of money and score that way. But hey, it's riskier if you're going long. No question about it. It's much riskier, but do what you got to do, I guess. Whatever you're comfortable with. 25.36 to 25.40 here on GameStop with a 25.32 low of the day right here. Just having had it. Interesting stuff, everybody. Welcome to the party. Dow's up 41 again. We're jumping around here with how much time? 8 minutes left in the day. Welcome. And hello, everybody. Interesting stuff. Yeah, gonna be something the next week. Oh man, this next week is gonna be crazy. DQ Adam, if you bought calls, you expect the stock to go up. If you wrote calls, you expect the stock to stay flat or go down. Nick, in Japanese, you pay respect to elders by adding san to the name. Well, thank you. Mirko, Uncle Bruce, I sold a few hundred GameStop shares yesterday at 27.14. Would you already buy these back? My stink offer is below 25. Any thoughts? Thinking about buying a few more $10 calls for January 2025 and upping the leverage. I'd up the leverage. I would do that. I'd buy deep in the money calls and write against those. A better return, more cash flow coming in your front door. Yeah, that's what I would look at. Those contracts I wrote this morning for GameStop, 26 for December 16, already down $1. I'm going to take that. I like this move. Way to go, dude. Adam, yes, thank you. Mirko, I think I'm going with the $10 calls. I would swear. I get my paycheck on Mondays. Please leave it at 100 till the SoFi earnings day has passed. For you, Splair, you got it. Dude, wouldn't Uncle Bruce be senpai? Nick, Adam, I struggle. I don't want to mess up on covered calls. Thank you for the advice today. We'll keep watching the classes. Right on, Adam. You're going to learn how all this works and join this gang of regulars. GameStop 25.43 to 25.53 right now is this range. We've got a little bounce going here with 6 minutes left in the day. So see where this ends up. 5.56 on SoFi, down 11 cents. Okay, that's what we got. The Dow holding a 42-point gain. S&P is losing, though. We're down 26. And NASDAQ is off 220 for the moment. All right. Thank you all. 5 minutes to go in our session. Fantastic all. And what else is going on here? We've got, thank you all for popping through here. 118 thumbs ups. Thank you for that. Absolutely wonderful today. Really appreciate that, that support. Lots going on out there. 25.48 on GameStop, it looks like now. We're only up 25 on the Dow, down 25 on S&P, down 218 on NASDAQ. Okay, dokie. All right, everybody. Okay. All righty, everybody. 27-point holding. We're holding on a 27-point gain on the Dow Jones right now. Netflix 298, Tesla 224, GameStop 25.48 now. 5.54 on SoFi, down another penny. HPQ 27.50, down 8 cents at the moment. Let's take a look over here. What else we got? Pfizer holding a 53-cent gain. Boeing down 12.36. Cisco up 2 cents. Home Depot up 12 cents. There we are. Okay. Vanik down 184. IBM down up $2. We got 4 minutes to go. Microsoft still down 18.89 on Microsoft. Goldman up $3. Google down 9.91. Facebook, Meta Platforms down 7.80 today. That is the negative story over there, I'll tell you, for sure. All right, guys. Thank you. 21-point gain on the Dow after being up over 300 plus today. Okay. Okay. Giddy up, guys. Giddy up. 20-point gain on the Dow. 25.45, 25.43 again on GameStop, coming around 11 cents away from the low of the day again on GameStop. A little bit of slippage here towards the close. 3 minutes left, and we're done for the day. Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday, we got earnings coming up. Oh, tons tomorrow. Between tonight and tomorrow, a whole bunch of earnings to review. See what's going on. Well, we'll find out what happens with all of these stocks. 25.41 now. GameStop again coming in with some more negative volume. 25.40, just touched that. 3.65 million. We're not getting any serious volume here. The low of 25.32 on your GameStop. Those contracts of yours have been slipping this afternoon. Ever since 11 this morning when they topped out with a stock at 27.48, we're now 25.45. This is a $2 drop this afternoon on GameStop. See how that works out. The Dow up only 2.5 now. It's running into a little red wall here in the last 2 minutes. We'll see if there's any more shenanigans going on the Dow. Down 28 on S&P and down 220 on NASDAQ. They're getting worse at the end. There's selling coming in right now. Tesla facing criminal investigation into autopilot claims. There's a report that says that is happening on Tesla, that a criminal investigation into the autopilot claims are going on. Okay, Kent, today was fun and profitable. How about that? Nice. The Tesla shares are still up 191 to 224. Netflix up 750 to 298.59. Dow is negative a third of a point now. The Dow is now down 1.5 points with a minute to go. We've gone red on the Dow for the moment. Don't know if that'll hold or not, but at the moment we've gone into the red on the Dow, 2.9 points into the red at the moment. And now I see a 5-point gain. So the shenanigans are on in the last few seconds of the day. 25.43, 25.41 on GameStop, down 146 today. And the bells will be ringing shortly as we finish this day off. Again, I show now a negative 9.3 indication on the Dow. It's red again, down almost 30 on S&P and 233 on NASDAQ. Those indexes dropped in the last 5 minutes. Now I see the Dow up 3, and Larry's ringing the bell. So you know the shenanigans at the bell with the Dow. Thank you all. Let's see. Thanks for the funny and relaxed show today. DQ, thank you, Larry. 3 extra bells for missing this morning. Right on, Larry. Appreciate that, buddy. I think the market's afraid of these earnings. DQ, Larry, making up for the morning miss. DQ is laughing. Christina, I just used 25,000 points from my credit card that I never pay interest on to get a $250 dining credit card. Take that, inflation. There you go. There you go. Right on. Constantine, have a great night, everybody. Thank you, Uncle B. See you tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, Prime Time Live, right here with your buddy Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members. Absolutely looking forward to seeing you guys tonight for that. We'll see what gives here. We have, we're waiting now for Facebook to release, which is Meta. That's the big one today. That is the one tech stock that's going to release today. We had today a $7.69 loss on the session for Meta, the 129.82 last trade. In the after hours, we're now up 43 cents, but we'll wait for the earnings to come out, see how this stock fares after when they get the release out. All righty. Nick is saying to Christina, my SoFi credit card points can be redeemed for SoFi stock. It's a win-win. DQ, Christina is Rugman. Credit Savage, Christina, I'm so proud of you, says Credit Savage. Adam, appreciate everyone. I'm trying to get it down. Right on, Adam. Welcome to the party, pal. And you keep working on those classes and hanging out with us. You'll get it all. You'll figure this out. Nick, did anyone get the short Netflix at 305? Anyone shorted up there? DQ, cue the not filled messages from Fidelity. DQ, Nick, I shorted more at 296 this morning. That's what I did, says DQ. 130.17, 130.06 on Meta, up 24 cents. That's what we have for now. Okay, and we'll go over here. There we go. And I'm going to put Meta up there right now. The Meta stock 130.17 in the after hours right here. Okay, and there you have it. All righty. Let's see. Okay, Amy, AJ, thanks, Dr. Bruce. I'm looking forward to my first Wednesday night show tonight, 8 o'clock. Looking forward to seeing it. We'll be posting that show in a few minutes. Absolutely. DQ says my average on Netflix, 283. Netflix has me by the shorts right now, says DQ. There you go. 298 last trade on Netflix. The Dow showing a 336 gain, 3.36 gain with a 28-point loss on S&P, 228 loss on NASDAQ. And we'll see how this market reacts now tomorrow. This will be interesting. Meta is at 130.14, up 35 or so cents right now as we're waiting the results in the after hours to come out on Meta. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, Meta. Get rid of that over there. Thank you. Okay, earnings announcement after market close coming for Meta. Waiting for it to be released. 130.59, up 77 cents at the moment. And waiting to see what is going to be said about Facebook's earnings. Meta find out. Okay, guys? Let's see. Fool of a Took says, I sold a GameStop $25 call a few weeks ago. That expires on Friday. Been crossing my arms, though, all the runs instead of rolling over. Liking this pullback, hoping it continues into tomorrow and Friday, right on 25.44. Something tells me that you are up on your call, that it is working for you right now. Dude, I got to get a credit card. I've been resting on my laurels. I just have a homeowner's line of credit that doesn't give me any points. Michael, I made my $4,000 and I'm probably done now. Nick, I think in 2 weeks it'll be around 250. This is Netflix. DQ, dude, face talk to Credit Savage. He'll tell you what cards are the best deals. Nick, if not sooner, though. Nick, Sean, and Wendy, thanks, Uncle Bruce. You always stay for certain earnings. We appreciate you. Rock and roll. We are at 130.75 on Meta at the moment. See what it's going to bring us. What are they going to say here? Time will tell. Oh, congratulations, all of you, on your GameStop call writing. I know there's a bunch of you that have written 25s, 26s, 26 and a quarters, 27s, all kinds of them. And you're all enjoying an update on those calls today. Those premiums are dropping like you need. Beautiful stuff. Let's see what happens. All right, 139.80. We're up $7 or more. We're up 968 on Meta. So you got something going here. $140 on Meta on Facebook. Something had to have come out. AZ, it's up $10 now. 140.12, 998. Yeah, Meta is a big jump, says Nick. Lost on the day today, 769. It's up $10 right now, so it makes it for about a 240 gain overall on the day. At the moment, 137.26 though, a little pullback here. What is the story on Meta? That is the question. Almost yoink time, says Michael. 139 on Meta. We'll see what's going on here. And over on CNBC, it says it's 129. So you tell me who's accurate. 137, 129. I got two different quotes on Meta right now. I don't know who to believe. Now we're back to 133.60, up 378 in the aftermarket, 133.52 at the moment. Okay. Let's see. Big up, then down. Facebook missed on earnings per share, says Credit Savage. 133.89, up $4. I've got 128.34 now on my other device, so now I'm getting, again, two different quotes. Michael, no way. Let's see here. Meta. Where are we at? There we go. 128.99, 129.77, 132.53 is what I see right now on Meta. Boo, Desi, Rugman doing some after-hours work. Yoink! Down to 126.79, down 302, 303. We're now negative. A Meta high on aftermarket, 142, now 128. DQ, 126.99. Nick, more. Now I have a rug. Ho. Nick S, 126.60. 124.87, says Nick. Mike, the rug was pulled. DQ, 124.50 on Meta. Coming lower, down 480 plus. At the moment, 122.98 down 680, 122.99. Boris, what a drop! 124. Watching Market Watch, laughs in shag carpet. Going to 120, says Credit. 122.90, 121, 121, says Nick. 120.77, 120.20. I'm showing as well here. Definitely falling. 120.02, says Nick. That stink bids trying to buy it down there. 120. Under 120, says DQ. 119.11 I'm getting now, down $10. 119.06. Credit Savage, 119 even already. Nick, 199.75. I don't think so. 119.75 maybe. And this used to be such a nice stock. Fang, who, what? 119.93, 120 on the other sites here. So glad I shorted Netflix and not Meta. Oh, wait. Oh, my. Let's take a look at some other stocks. Amazon is down $1.24 in the after hours. Netflix is down 62 cents. Tesla is at 224.64 unchanged. Apple is 148.93 down 42. GameStop 25.41 down 3. HPQ 27.48 no change. Let's see any other stocks to watch here. Cisco 44.52 up 14 actually. There you go. IBM 135.03 and it's 135.01 down 2 cents. No big deal. Microsoft down 53 cents after losing 19.34. Google 94.59, 23 cents lower on Google. And Meta 120.50, 120.50 on my one device, 120.18 on the other. You remember when Meta was 350? I don't either. I feel like Uncle Bruce is an auctioneer. 118.92 says Mirko. Come on, guys. Everyone knew Meta was going to miss. Instead of Fang, it's going to be Mang. Should have been all up in that. DQ, Alexa, play Unchained by Van Halen. Nick, I'm confident Netflix will be dropping like this too in the near future. Michael, my Alexa only plays Radar Love no matter what song I ask for. Mirko, whoever bought it at 142 minutes ago must be crying now. Nick, hedge funds need to buy gifts and they will need money. There you go. 122, 121, 121.89. We are off today on Meta. Now we'll have to see how this stock affects us tomorrow morning in the pre-market, and we'll see what's going on there. Okay, you guys. All right, well, I'm going to pack it in. Thank you for being with me tonight. I'll see you at 8 o'clock this evening for Primetime Live. We'll keep an eye on this stock between now and then. 124 thumbs ups have come in from all of you. Thank you for those thumbs ups this afternoon. I really appreciate it. Really helps a lot. What can I say? I'll be here at 8 this evening, folks. Join me for that show for Gold Bagel members. I look forward to having you pop in. Looking forward to all of it. Guys, thank you. 119.90 again on Meta as more selling comes in on it, down 987. Okay. Thank you, Nick and Mike and all of you. And we'll catch you this afternoon. Dude, thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. I'll see you tonight at 8 o'clock, everybody. You guys have a good one. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you later in prime time. You got it. There it is. Nice going.